There's over $1 million hiding inside your Facebook friends list. Quick heads up before we get into this. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact system that turns Facebook into an automated lead and sales engine that runs while you sleep. If you've ever wished Facebook was easier, this is the video. Stick with me. Real fast, who am I? And why should you listen? My name is John Vaughn. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Tier 5, where my wife Ankita Vaughn and I have built 30 software products serving over 15,000 customers worldwide. We started Tier 5 with no clients, in a 2-room office, and grew the entire company on nothing but Facebook organic marketing. The funnels we built around that strategy have been awarded 6 times by ClickFunnels. 3 Comma Club for funnels doing over $1 million, 2 Comma Club X for over 10 million, and 1 Comma Club C for over 25 million in revenue. So when I tell you Facebook can be the highest paid asset you own, it's because I've already lived it. The exact system I'm about to show you is what got us there. Now let's get into it. Here's the truth about Facebook. Most people are doing it the slowest, most painful way possible. They send friend requests one at a time. They post into the void. They write the same 5 messages over and over again like a robot. They forget who clicked, who replied, who asked a question, who almost bought. And every single day, real money walks out the door because there's no system to catch it. Sound familiar? It's a leaky bucket made of leaky buckets. And the worst part is, you're working harder than the people who are actually winning at this. They aren't smarter than you. They aren't better at copy than you. They just have a system, and you're about to get that system. Friender is the #1 Facebook organic sales and automation system on the planet. It's a web app, plus a Chrome extension that fuses with Facebook itself. 2 surfaces, 1 mission: turn the platform you're already on into a lead engine that runs while you sleep. Think of Friender as a full sales team baked right into Facebook. The kind of team an 8-figure business would pay 6 figures a year for, except it costs you a tiny fraction of that, and it never sleeps. Are you with me? Good. Let's get into it. Step 1. The friend request engine. Picture this. Instead of sending friend requests one at a time like a human caveman, you tell Friender how many to send today, how many per hour, and how long to wait between each one, and then you walk away. Friender does it for you all day, every day, on autopilot. Every single request gets tracked. Sent, accepted, rejected, failed. You see the whole picture in one screen. So while you're at the gym, having dinner with your family, or sleeping, your friends list is growing with the exact people you want in it. You feel that? Now here's where it gets dangerous. You don't want random Facebook people. You want future customers. So before a single friend request goes out, you tell Friender exactly who your dream customer is. Married women, US, age 35 to 55, who put entrepreneur in their bio? Done. Single guys in Texas who follow fitness pages with at least 1,000 friends? Done. Think of it like a bouncer at the door of your friends list. Only the people who match your perfect customer profile get through. Everyone else gets rejected automatically before they ever waste your time. Imagine waking up tomorrow and every new friend in your inbox is exactly the kind of person you'd love to sell to. That's not a dream. That's just Friender on day 1. But how do those perfect prospects even get into Friender in the first place? There are 5 ways. From the Chrome extension, you click Run Friender and pull from any Facebook group you're in, any post that's getting engagement, your suggested friends list, or any friend's friends list. And inside the web app, you can upload your own custom list of profile URLs if you already have one. 5 different ways to point Friender at exactly the people you want and let it harvest them automatically. And here's the one most people completely miss. Any paid Facebook ad. Not just your ads, your competitors' ads, your complementers' ads. Any business spending money to put their ad in front of your perfect customer. Every single person who reacts or comments on any of those ads can get pulled directly into your friend queue, filtered and friend requested automatically. Think about that for a second. Other people are spending their ad budget to find your dream customers. And you're scooping up the leads for free. That alone is a strategy people pay tens of thousands of dollars to learn. you're getting it built into the platform. Picture this. You see a competitor's ad going viral with 500 comments, 3 clicks, and every single commenter is now in your queue, getting filtered, getting friend requested, getting nurtured, while you go make a sandwich. At the end of every scan, Friender shows you exactly how many leads you got, how many hours you saved, and how much money it just made you in time alone. Does that make sense? Good. Now, once those people start coming in, every single one of them gets tracked forever. Friends, non-friends, lost contacts, people you've blacklisted, people you love and never want to lose, all separated automatically. Every contact gets a label, gets tagged, gets a country flag, gets an engagement score so you know who's actually interested. And when you click into anyone, you see 4 tabs. Notes for your private memory on them, activity, every automation that's ever run on them. Engagement, every reaction and comment they've ever left on your posts. And reminders, that auto fire on the day you set. So you never forget a hot lead again. Imagine never losing track of a customer in your life. That's Friender's CRM. And you don't even have to think about it. It just builds itself in the background. Now let's talk about the messages. Because here's where most people quit. They don't want to write 5,000 custom messages. So they write one bad copy paste, send it to everyone, and wonder why nobody replies. Friender solves that completely. You write your message once. And Friender automatically rotates between 3 or 4 different versions every time it sends. So no 2 people ever see the same exact message. It auto-fills their first name. It splits a long message into a real multi-part conversation with typing pauses. Like a human, it writes a different version for men and women if you want. And it can even drop their name onto a personalized image, generated just for them. Are you starting to see how powerful this is? You write a message once. Friender makes it feel like a custom one-to-one DM every single time to 1,000 different people while you're sleeping. Want to broadcast to your entire list at once? Use campaigns, pick a message, set a daily limit, paint the schedule grid for when it's allowed to run, and Friender drips it out at a safe pace over days or weeks. So you stay safe with Facebook, you reach everyone, and every single send gets tracked. Big launch this week, you set it once and you walk away. Now your content. Most people post into the void hoping someone sees it. With Friender, your posts become assets that generate leads. Schedule any post to your profile, your pages, your groups, all from one calendar. Set it to repeat on a schedule with random delays so it never feels spammy. Drop the link in an auto first comment so your post body stays clean and your reach stays high. And label every post by what it's actually for. Lead generation, social proof, authority, story, value. So you can finally see which kinds of posts make you money and double down on those. Make sense? But you don't even have to write the post yourself. Friender plugs into AI and writes them for you. Using your voice Bible, which I'll explain in a minute, the AI generates posts that sound like you, not like a chatbot. It even creates images on demand to go with them. So you can have a post, an image, and an auto first comment, ready to go in less than a minute. Imagine creating a week of content in 5 minutes. That's not the future. That's just Tuesday with Friender. Now here's where it gets sneaky. The second somebody comments on your post, Friender's auto post reply fires. It scans their comment for keywords, posts back a public reply, and DMs them privately at the same time, with whatever message you choose, tags them, tracks them, adds them to your nurture sequence automatically. So that random comment somebody left on your post at 3 a.m, by the time they wake up, they've already had a conversation started with them by Friender. While you slept, while they slept, closing in your sleep. Welcome to the future. Now this is the heart of it all, the automation builder. Picture a flow chart, but every box represents a real action that Friender takes for you. Triggers, actions, filters, splits, delays. You drag and drop them into a sequence and Friender runs it in the background on every contact forever. Want a 7-day follow-up that branches based on whether they replied? Done. A 30-day nurture for cold leads? Done. A 90-day re-engagement campaign that pulls back the people who ghosted you? Done. 5 trigger types. 10 action types, and once you build it once, you never have to think about it again. That's it. That's how multi-million-dollar Facebook businesses actually run. And now it runs for you, exactly the same way. Inside the automation builder, there's a feature that's almost unfair. Friender will go like and comment on your prospect's Facebook posts automatically, based on rules you set. You can write the comment yourself. You can write a different comment for every reaction type. Or you can let I write a totally unique comment for every single post in your voice. So you stay top of mind in your future customers' feeds every single day without lifting a finger. They think you've been paying attention to them. They love you for it. And meanwhile, you've been doing literally nothing. Birthday Wisher. It remembers every friend's birthday automatically. It can wish them in advance on the day, post on their timeline, and follow up days later with a personalized message and a custom image with their name baked into it. Imagine 1,000 people thinking you remembered their birthday this year, while you forgot every single one. Are you starting to see how this works? This part is going to blow your mind. Friender Intelligence reads every post and every message you've ever written and generates what's called a voice Bible, 6 pillars, energy signature, pacing, certainty. It's a complete blueprint of your voice. Then every time the AI writes anything for you, it uses that blueprint. So the output sounds like you, not a chatbot. Plus there's something called DHOS, your dark horse operating system, which documents how your business actually runs. So Friender doesn't just sound like you, it thinks like you and acts like you, while you're not even there. The message autoresponder catches every single incoming DM. You set a keyword, you set a reply, you set the tags. The moment somebody types that word in your inbox, Friender fires back the perfect response. Instantly, 24 hours a day. Conversations get started while you're asleep. Tags get applied. Leads get captured without you doing a thing. Imagine never missing a hot lead again because you didn't check your messages fast enough. Boom. Solved. Every link you share inside Friender gets tracked. The CRM link manager turns every share into a measurable click. You connect a custom domain, you install the conversion script on your website, and now you can see every click, every lead, every sale attributed to the exact post or message that made it happen. So for the first time in your life, you'll know exactly which content is making you money, and you'll just do more of it. And then there's the Chrome extension. This is the part that makes Friender feel like Facebook should have built it themselves. Once it's installed, the extension fuses with Facebook. Every chat window gets a label dropdown. Every contact gets a sidebar panel showing their engagement, their purchases, exactly where they are in your sales pipeline. Quick replies, reminders, and notes, all one click away inside Messenger. The Run Friender option appears in every post's 3-dot menu, so you can scrape leads from any post you see. And on your friend request page, every incoming request gets a green check mark to confirm Friender already tracked the source before you accept. So you never lose attribution. You never lose a lead. You never lose period. So let's stack it all up. With Friender, you're getting friend request automation with 12 filters that handpick your dream customers, a scanner that harvests leads from any post, any group, any list on demand, a contact database that remembers every interaction forever, a template library that makes every message feel custom, even when you've sent it to 1,000 people, bulk campaigns, a post engine with AI content, AI images, scheduled posts, and auto-first comments. Auto-post reply, that starts conversations the second somebody engages. A drag-and-drop automation builder that runs your entire sales process in the background. A AI engagement that keeps you top of mind in your prospects' feeds. Birthday Wisher, a voice. Bible, AI, that writes in your exact voice. Message autoresponder, tracked links with full conversion attribution, and a Chrome extension that fuses Friender into Facebook itself. All of that in one platform, doing the work for you, while you do literally anything else. Listen, the exact same system you just saw is what people doing 8 figures in organic Facebook sales are using right now. The only question is, do you want to keep doing this the slow, painful way, Or do you want to plug in and start winning? When you click the link below this video, you start your free trial today. No credit card, no risk. You're inside Friender in 5 minutes. And on day one, the platform that finally makes Facebook pay you what it owes you is going to start working for you. The choice is yours. But I think you already know what to do. Click the link. I'll see you inside.